Welcome to this CoCloud tutorial. We'll show you how to collaborate with your team adding members, assigning roles, and sending invitations from the workspace. Click the Project Cards More menu at the top right, then select Members. Here, you can view the current team members. On the right, edit roles or remove members as needed. Click Edit to change a member's permissions. Click Remove to take someone out of the project. Click Invite to see the 4 roles CoCloud offers. Administrator, full access, including managing members, editing data, and project settings. Member can view, download, and edit data, manage their own annotations and datasets. Collaborator, view and download data, only no editing. Guest, browse project content without download or edit permissions. Choose the role you want to assign. Then enter the member's email or phone number for notification. The system sends an invitation link. Clicking it joins the project. Note: email or phone is only for notification and not linked to a CoCloud account. Invitation links are valid for 7 days and can be used only once. All sent invitations show up in the invite list, where you can cancel or copy links to share manually. With flexible role management and invitation controls, CoCloud makes 3D project collaboration easy and efficient.